In these problems, we are adding numbers that are multiples of 10. And you can tell they're multiples of 10 because they end in zeros. 700 ends in a zero, 50 ends in a zero, 20 and 30 end in zeros. Anything that's been multiplied by 10 is a multiple of 10, and that always puts a zero on the end. And this is good news for us when we're adding, because adding zeros, not so hard. The procedure you're going to follow here is the same as the one you've been using to add two-digit or three-digit numbers. You need to line them up so that the place value is the same. So I've got the 700 here, and then the 50 needs to be lined up so that the ones place is the same in both the numbers, and the tens place is the same. Once you've got them lined up, you can just add down the columns. And in these problems, we're not going to have to carry anything. It's going to be pretty simple. So in this column, 0 plus 0, well, that's just 0. 0 plus 5 in the tens column, well, that's 5. And then there's nothing underneath the 7, so you just bring that down. So that's 7. So 700 plus 50 is 750. You probably knew that already, but this is good practice. We're going to do the same thing with the next problem, 20 plus 30. I've got them lined up so that the ones place matches the ones place, the tens place matches the tens place, and then we can just add down the columns. So 0 plus 0, again, that's 0, and 2 plus 3 is 5, so 20 plus 30 is 50. So that is how to add numbers that are multiples of 10.